Welcome to our site and our Math Fluency project.
We have a problem in this country. Over 10 million students past the third grade are still doing their addition and subtraction on their fingers. This is a huge problem because students who are adding and subtracting on their fingers can't do fractions.
We're going to aim to break them of that habit.
This slide here shows a student in a laboratory classroom in one of the highest crime, highest poverty zip codes of Arizona. A student who, when we started, was not able to answer the question, what is 5 plus 4, in their mind. They had to use their fingers.
So after about 80 days of using this program, he is doing this 1-minute exercise, and this is typically done at the beginning of class for about 15 minutes.
As you can see, there's word problems in here too, connecting both sides of the brain.
He's solving for X, and he's getting every single one of those correct.
Each green block is the correct answer.
It's incredible. I can't even read those numbers as fast as he's answering them.
So how were we able to get students from 5 plus 4 to this level of fluency? And the answer is that these students are doing over 600 math problems a day. This student was doing over 1,000 math problems a day. So 56 problems correct in 60 seconds, and this student had already done 262 problems correctly.
So incredible volumes of practice creates fluency. In fact, let's look at him at about 20 days later at 100 days.
My name is Ryan. I'm fourth generation and I have 209,000 points and 17,353 questions.
Okay, let's do it.
So you can see he's highly motivated. Oops, that's a little blurry. There we go.
As you can see, he now has advanced to fairly sophisticated word problems. Chromie needs a total of $6. If Chromie has $2, he needs X more. So 6 minus the 2 that he already has, the answer is 4.
Yeah. So what's
and
significant?
As you can see, he answered it correctly.
Yeah, let's fast forward a little bit to further down the road. And what's significant for us is that he has not been working on this item bank for a week. This is his first day encountering. So as the students are using the program, there's 750 levels that the students go through, and each level builds on each one successively. So by the time he entered this level, his brain was already primed for the word problem item bank.
Right? Only one wrong. So 23 problems correct in a minute. A little faster than one of these problems, fairly complex problems, in less than 3 seconds. And as you can see, he's already done 256 problems that day.
So how do we motivate them to do hundreds, if not thousands of math problems a day? And the secret is this in front of the class.
So yes,
a leaderboard.
A
leaderboard.
And incorporated into the leaderboard and the other aspects of the program are 9 scientific principles. And those scientific principles are integrated into, a number of them are integrated into this screen, which is projected on the front of the class for the entire game. For example, one of the scientific principles is that the human brain was designed to be motivated by a team score. Out in the plains of the Serengeti, if we were successful, we ate steak that night as a team. And if we weren't, we starved. So we can see that up here at the top of this board that's projected. The computer, knowing the past history of each student and the whole class, has said that the class can achieve 25,652 problems.
So how this is done in the classroom is to teach, the bell rings, the teacher has this in front of the class, and tells the kids, we have 25,000 points to score today, everyone go at it. And because we turn this into a team game, everyone's highly motivated. So the bar starts out red, as you see in this previous image, and it starts to turn yellow, then green, and then eventually when they hit goal, it turns blue, which creates a very amazing effect.
Yeah, incredible joy in the classroom when they hit their class objective. And they were able to achieve their class objectives over 96 classes out of 100. Now, a team objective is not enough. You also have to have individual accountability, but you need to do individual accountability in a unique way. And as you can see, each individual student on this screen has their own bar, which will go also red, green, yellow, or red, yellow, green, and blue. And the top student here has 1,625 points as their objective, and this student has 200. But this bar system enables them to be equal in the eyes of their compatriots. Critical element for a successful leaderboard.
And in addition to that, one of the biggest benefits that we've seen with this real-time leaderboard is that if you're looking up here, we see we have 2 students who are still in the red. Everyone else is doing fine. So as a teacher, you could, in real time, go and walk up to these 2 students and see what kind of math problems they're doing. They may be tripping up on a new standard, a new level that they're encountering, and they maybe need additional help, or maybe they just need some words of encouragement to get them moving again. But now you have a way to react to them.
Now, this bar system is critically important because what the research shows is that a very significant number of students in digital environments don't do a single math problem. And we have been able to completely eradicate that problem. This bar system, we have been able to achieve 100% of the students getting into completely achieving their objectives every day.
And because we did this and we created the game, kids don't think of it as a game anymore.
Honestly, like once you get in there and you just get going, you completely forget that you're even doing math. It's honestly just really fun. And the whole class looks forward to it every day. We beg our teacher, we're like, oh, let us do it.
So we'd like to thank you for your interest in our project. Please contact us and we look forward to working with you.
Thank you.